Hey guys, it's Chris here from Thoroughbred Diesel. Today we're up at Fleece Performance and we're going to be talking about Fleece's Freedom Series engines. Don't mind all the noise. We are in a legitimate manufacturing facility where they're building tons of products that you know and love. But we're going to get through this and we're going to get through it together. A lot of you didn't even know that Fleece made a complete long block engine ready to go. So today we're going to talk about a lot of the things that they do to make this product a special product for you. Complete solution is what we're looking for here. Some of the things to talk about here as we get going. Every Dodge engine includes 625 head studs. They're not using bolts. They're not using the regular ARP head studs. They're actually using the custom-made 625s. That's been a life lesson they've learned. What they honestly found was most people wanted the 625 studs, even on the street version of the same engine. A couple of the other things to talk about, they actually use screw-in freeze plugs. That was a retainer, but the screw-in freeze plugs, that helps with not having a coolant and oil mixture. That's what we're going for there. One other item that they include with the kit that's going to be huge is they actually include their break-in oil. The break-in oil, they partner with Amsoil on that. It's always one of those things when you're doing an engine install that you realize about halfway through the install, you're like, oh crap, I wonder what break-in oil they want me to run so that I can keep my warranty intact and all of that. Well, there's no questioning it here with Fleece. They actually include it with them. They've been using the same break-in oil for years on all their high horsepower builds, whether that be the billet engine that runs, sub 4s or sub 5s, or it's their sled pulling trucks, 3.0s, pro stock, all that crazy stuff. Another piece that they include with the kit, which I think is huge, is a top-end gasket kit. A lot of times when you get a long block engine, you get it in and then you find, well, I need to get this gasket, that gasket, and all that. Fleece includes that with the kit. This is just the top-end gasket kit, minus the head gasket, because that's already included. So this is gonna be huge. You don't have to go looking for parts that you might need later on the build. Talking about the internals on the engine a little bit, everything is almost brand new on this engine. There's only a couple parts that are remanufactured. Talking about the engine block is obviously remanufactured. The head itself is either going to be remanufactured or they're starting to use some of their own castings on those engine heads as well. The crank and the camshaft on the Street Series are going to be remanufactured, but on the HD Series, they're going to include a Hamilton Cams cam, and they're also going to include Waggler connecting rods. I thought that was really cool that they're including all new bearings. Everything's new. You don't have to worry, is this new? Did they replace this? And all of that. Last thing I want to touch on, we've all ordered packages. We've all gotten damaged packages or empty packages. That's true in the engine world as well. Fleece started shipping these on crates, and they would have customers call them with an empty crate arrived. They used engine stand on it, built out of heavy wood. Still would lose an engine or have it topple over. One thing I didn't think about until I came here today, the engine core is actually tipping over on the pallet and causing damage that wasn't there when it left. All of that is a no good situation for everybody involved. So Fleece spent a whole lot of time, that was the one thing that held up this whole project, was getting these caskets in such a way that you get the product that you ordered in the fashion you ordered it, and we can get the core back so that we can get your core credit processed as quickly as possible. These caskets are custom built for these engines. They have an insert that holds the engine up off of the bottom so we don't get damaged oil pans and that kind of stuff. And then it has 4 ratchet straps that pull it down to the engine, or to the crate itself. This thing, haven't done this yet, so let's see. Doesn't move at all, not at all in there. They just freaked out a little bit because they didn't think I was gonna do that. But anyway, this casket and the way it's packaged in here ensures that you're gonna get the product you ordered the way you ordered it every single time, and we're gonna get that core back. All right, let's talk about the elephant in the room. The worst part of any diesel product that you're gonna buy, or any vehicle product you're gonna buy, but especially engines. we're gonna talk about cores. So engine cores are obviously gradable. If you've ever done an engine before, you know that they're gonna grade your core, meaning that if the core was $2,000, you may only get back $1,500 because something was wrong with it. That was a problem that we brought to Fleece early on in this project, and we actually came up with a really good core acceptance policy for these cores. So one of the things, it's gotta be like for like. Make sure if you order a 5.9, you're sending back a 5.9. 6.7, send back a 6.7. We can't have any visible damage to the outside, so like cracks, windows, that kind of stuff, that could lower your refund. The other thing, make sure you send everything back. Don't not send back the oil filter head or whatever. Like we need all those products back so we can get all those products on the next one. Big thing here, make sure that your crankshaft spins a full 360 degrees. That's huge. We gotta make sure the engine's not completely locked up. Obviously, if it is, it's gonna cause major internal damage that we can't see. So as long as it turns, that's what we need. No fire damage. Didn't realize how big of an issue that was until I started working with them on this engine program. A lot of you guys are out there burning your trucks down. Like we can't have fire damage on these engines. And the core must come back in the original Fleece crate. Again, we just talked about that, but that's a big, huge deal there. And the core department would be very happy with me if I remind you to fill out the orange form. This is a battle that we fight every day. It's orange, it's the only paperwork in the whole kit that's orange. Make sure you fill this out when you send it in. Thanks for watching today. If you guys have any questions about the Freedom Series Fleece engines, please give us a call. Make sure that you like and subscribe wherever Adam put those buttons again. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.